YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this is the Playboy white label. Inside here is the edit black tea, size medium, and then the second item is the anti-social club Playboy all over cap, one size fit all. I'm pretty excited to open this. Also very disappointed at the same time, because the first week drop I ordered it and then I didn't get any order confirmation, and then a second order, which is a Playboy white label collection. I ordered that first. I didn't get the order confirmation, but somehow this one, the second order that I placed, I got the order confirmation. So hopefully I don't need to dispute it with my credit card again. But at least I'm glad I finally received at least one of the package. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. And hopefully there is no invoice. I can feel the cap. I'm not sure why they ship a cap like that. It's gonna get crushed. Normally with the pallets or the Supreme, they put it inside like a box, so it doesn't look like beat up. Ooh, there's the invoice here. So one of it shows an anti-social club Playboy all over cap, one size fit all. Oh yeah, and then this is the second one, edit black tea, right, for this shipment. So let's go ahead and then get this taken out. What? Playboy's not even inside a bag? Are you kidding me? So what, they just toss this in? Ooh, nice. As you can see on the side, it got a head with the anti-social club pink lettering, and also on the within the hat it says anti-social club and Playboy. Ooh, why is the wrinkle here? And then here's the anti-social club label right there. Oh my god, why they cut it like this? It looks so horrible. Gosh. Quality control is pretty bad. And then this thing is pretty sharp. You gotta be careful, as it might get cut. So that is for you to loop in there, I guess. Yep. And oh my god, this buckle looks so cheap. It might be bending so easy. So it looks like that, okay? Gotta tuck it in. Alright, that's enough of that. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Oh my goodness. Why does the sticker look so cheap? They don't even have the barcode anymore or what? So I'm not sure how you guys are gonna do legit check. Okay, let me show you guys all this sign right there. from the original Playboy white label collection. Oh my gosh. I should have cut it. Cut it. And then this is size medium. And then it's a Playboy, 100% cotton, made in USA, and size medium. Pretty nice, but it kind of feel like a gilded material. And then you got the Playboy label right here near the bottom. It says Playboy white label collection. And I guess that's it. It doesn't have any label inside. And then on the back it looks plain, okay? So let me show you guys the stitching and stuff like that real quick. Playboy. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification and drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace. All right, so I'm gonna do a try on fit for you guys real quick, and please don't hate. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.